there's two.
Don't fly away. I don't want to scare it. Can you see one on the roof? Oh yeah.
There's one eating from the other feeder.
Oh my goodness. Super cool. Oh, Bram, it's like Beatrix Potter. Have you seen Bram's face? Once you've taken that photo, but take a look at Bram.
Oh goodness. Put cobwebs on your face.
Let me get this off for you. Going on here. Cobwebina.
I think it's either a mummy or a daddy woodpecker with a juvenile. The juvenile one's set up there. Yeah, there's like a young one.
Oh, you're beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, their mouths. Cute mouths. Cute beaks.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness me. Animal Kingdom.